Online grocer Ocado soared to the top of the FTSE 250 amid rumors it had finally inked a deal with a major foreign retailer. Shares jumped 7.3%, or 17.5p to 256.2p off the back of reports it is about to strike a deal with Swedish retailer ICA Gruppen. The speculation was welcomed by starved investors, who have been pushing for the grocer to sell its warehouse technology to a major overseas player as it fights off increased competition from Amazon Fresh. Shares in the grocer have also fallen almost 20% in the past 4 weeks after market research from research firm Kantar showed weaker online grocery adoption and slower Ocado growth. According to Swedish reports, Ocado's deal with ICA is imminent and likely to be revealed at the beginning of next year. A deal would be a turning point for Ocado, which has faced backlash from shareholders over its failure to secure a substantial expansion deal abroad. In June, Ocado revealed it had signed a mystery regional European retailer to use its software, but not its automated warehouse technology. Investors were further dismayed by news the retailer was a regional retailer rather than a national seller. The move prompted activist investor Crystal Amber to snap up a stake in the firm, leading calls for it to secure a national deal amid claims of underperformance. At the time, Richard Bernstein, founder of the hedge fund which has a reputation for triggering change in underperforming companies, having previously held stakes in Pinewood, Thorntons, and Aer Lingus, all of which have been snapped up by suitors in the past 2 years, said a number of shareholders were frustrated with Ocado's failure to secure a deal abroad, a milestone it had promised to reach by the end of 2015. A deal with ICA Gruppen, Sweden's leading grocery retailer, would therefore be welcomed by investors. The firm has around 1,300 stores and a market share of around 36%. EWO major shareholders in cybersecurity firm Sophos are today dumping 51 meters shares in the firm, or 11%. Pentagon Lock and Apax Global Alpha will get rid of almost half, 49.64 PC, their combined holdings in the firm. They announced the planned sale after the markets closed last night. It will be conducted via an accelerated book build carried out by Ops Limited, with Moelis & Company acting as financial advisor. Shares in Sophos have risen more than 163% over the latest year amid global cyber attacks. Yesterday they closed up 3.9%, or 24.5p, to 646p. The FTSE 250 finished down 0.3%, or 63.5 points to 19,881.3, while the FTSE 100 finished down 0.4%, or 25.7 points to 7,383.9 points, led by Micro Focus, which slumped after analysts downgraded its shares from buy to hold. Analysts at Deutsche Bank said they struggle to see meaningful organic growth opportunities outside of SUSE, Micro Focus's computer operating system. They added that they believe the risk-reward is currently more balanced. Shares slumped 3.7%, or 98p to 2,557p as a result. Shares in International Consolidated Airlines, owner of British Airways, took off amid news it had landed Monarch sought after runway slots at Gatwick Airport, jumping 1.3%, or 7.5p to 603.5p. AIM newcomer Keystone Law made its case known on its first day trading. Shares in the legal business increased 19.4% to 191p from its initial placing price of 160p.